What's up, guys? I hope you can hear me okay. Well, today is April 27th. It's towards the end of the month, and it's a beautiful, kind of a chilly day today, but it's tolerable. It's in the mid-50s. I got to go get the car repaired later this afternoon. So we had some news yesterday about my hip. I went to the chiropractor and we got the x-ray results. My right hip is totally gone. There's nothing there left or any bone or anything. So what they're going to do is they're going to replace it, and they have to go this coming Tuesday, the first part of May, into Worcester, and get a consultation to find out about the hip surgery and when they're going to do it. And so we're going to look forward to that. And I'm going to hold up because we got somebody coming here. Morning. Okay, so we're gonna go to Worcester and have that done, and as soon as I can get in there as soon as possible, I want to have the hip done. Now my left hip, they said is bad, but not nearly as bad as the right hip. And the right hip would be explanational why I'm falling a lot and why I keep losing my balance when I'm walking, and why my right leg is collapsing. And I suspect a lot of this too is because I'm not getting any circulation to why my right leg is swollen all the time in the calf area. So that could be a big part of it, and so hopefully at some point they'll correct that. Now getting back to my left hip area, they're going to do what's called stem cell injections, and I'm not going to be able to get that done until November, because in November I'll be on full retirement, and with Social Security, 66 and 4 months, so I'll have Medicare Part A and Part B, and that, and then also getting to my back. We got some issues going on there, but again, nothing that warrants any surgery as far as that goes. So they're going to do some injection stem cells on my back. But that's what's going on, and hopefully at some point I'll be my old self again. And I've been feeling pretty good. I started the week off at 215. I was a little bit disappointed in myself for the first part of the month of April, but I'm currently doing a 3 or 4 or 5 day egg fast. And guess what? I'm down 5 pounds for the egg fast already since Monday, so I feel really happy. So like I said, this morning we're going to go up for about a mile and a half walk. And we got the new trail rail in the city of Leominster partially open, so I'm going to walk it later this week, or definitely next week. And I think they said something about a ribbon cutting ceremony coming up in the month of June for it. And it connects to our adjacent city of Fitchburg, so if I wanted to walk 10 miles all the way into Fitchburg, I probably could do that. I don't know if I'd do that, but who knows with me. But anyways, thank you for joining me, coming along to my YouTube channel, my journey. So we're down here at the Medicine Brook area, and this is where my weight loss all started. 2 years ago, 2020 there, we had our mask on, and I had my friend take some photographs of me. And so we're gonna do another demonstration of what I look like today with my body weight. So like I said, I'm down to 210 pounds. The goal is to get down to 180, so I'm 30 pounds away from that goal, and I've been feeling pretty good. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to back the camera up a little bit. I'm going to try to, because I want to give you a full body demonstration, and I'm going to put some photographs to the right of me or to the left of me, depending on how the video comes out. But it's kind of breezy, so I just hope the wind doesn't take down my camera, because it's a brand new camera and I don't want to have to be buying something that I can't use.